What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. I want to thank all you guys who have subscribed. If you have not subscribed, please do me a big favor and hit that button for me. All right, guys, so today I'm just going to kind of run through a little bit of what I use to film my channel. Some of you guys have been wondering what I've been using, and I'm going to kind of show you guys what I use. I'm not going to go into full detail because there's some other channels out there who can give you a little bit more information than I can. I just use this setup because it works for me and I love the way it works. So I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit of information on it. And if you have any questions, please put them in the comments below and I'll try to get to you as soon as I can. All this stuff that I'm gonna show you guys, I got off of Amazon. So if you're wondering where I got it, Amazon's the place to get it. I'm gonna put all these products in the links in the description below on where you can get yours as well. Let's just jump right into it. This is the Ulanzi G8-5 aluminum housing case, specifically made just for the GoPro 8. This is a really nice, well-made case, guys. It's aluminum, it's not plastic, so it's gonna hold up really well, and it's gonna hold your GoPro nice and tight inside also. And it's gonna make sure your GoPro does not get damaged. This has a little bit of a cutout here so you can power your GoPro while you're filming if it needs to be charged. Here's a little cold shoe for like an external mic, and here's a little door where you can go ahead and turn your GoPro on and off. It also can accommodate a 52mm lens cover here or a filter adapter, which is pretty cool. Here you got a couple cold shoes here where you can add an external mic or an external light like I have right here. I'll be showing you guys what I use. This little door here just slides off where you can slide your GoPro. I also recommend you guys slide the side door here because it's kind of a tight fit with this little foam protector here. This foam here kind of keeps the GoPro nice and tight in the lens so it doesn't move around. I also have on my GoPro the Ulanzi G8-7 power door. This door here, you can just power your GoPro while you're using it. If you're not using a external case, you can go ahead and power your GoPro through there as well. So you kind of slide this GoPro in here. It's a nice tight fit, guys. And then you grab your door and you slide this down here. I'm not gonna put this door on because I already have a door here where I can charge it. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a nice, clean look. I also use their Ulanzi hand grip, and it's also a rechargeable power bank. It's like a power bank and a grip all in one, guys. This is really nice. So like I said, I film a lot of automotive stuff. So a lot of times when I'm filming, it's in dark situations. So I went with this Lume Cube 2.0 and I've attached it to a small rig adapter here where I can just attach it to the side of the GoPro. And let me just tighten it up for you guys here. It's nice and bright as well. This light is serious, guys. I'm talking some serious light. So yeah, this is probably more light than you'll ever need, but when you need it, you have it. You can also attach it to the top. I use it on the side. Here, you can also use a mic. You slide this in through here, slide that through there. It's a nice tight fit. Come over here and just plug it into the GoPro, and now you can add your mic. The mic I use is a little ETM 001. This mic actually works really well for being how small it is. It captures a lot of sound. You can also charge your GoPro through the external mic here. So you just plug it in here and the light should come on. There you go, see? So you don't even have to remove any of that stuff. Cool thing about this power bank, you can also charge your light if you need to. So it's a really cool power bank. And I attached this Ulanzi tripod extension to the bottom of here. And this also acts as another hand grip, or you can extend the legs and stand your GoPro straight up. So yeah, this is some really cool stuff, guys. This is what I use. I call this the ultimate vlogging setup. Alright guys, so if you guys found this video helpful, please hit that thumbs up for me. And also don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.